Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghend and I am going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics with your website. So let's start, and you have to first type Google Analytics login. This is your Google Analytics login. I have already connected dummy account in my Google Analytics, and I would just want to connect with my website. So click here, go to admin section, then create account. Then you just write down your name. It's not your website name, it's just your name. Then click on next button. Click your website name, not your URL. Like my website is the digital tree. Then I'll select the country, India. Then I will also select currency like Indian rupee, Indian rupee. Next. Then you just select what category, what niche you are covering in your website. So like I'm covering with job and education, job and education. And it depends upon your organization, how many members in your organization. And click on OK. What are the goals you want to fulfill with your Google Analytics? So you can select all of them and you can select one of them. I just want to click with them. Suppose lead generation, that is my ultimate goal. Then click on accept. So here is my account is set up, not linked with my website. So I just link with my website, click on website, put the URL of my website here. Like this is my URL. Let me check. Okay, this is my website URL. I just put because HTTP is already here, so we just remove the HTTP and write down the name of your website, the digital. I can here I can write, then create, continue, then click next. It's taking some time. This is my Google tag. So install the extension. We have two options. Like we just connect with our WordPress and just download the this tag, and either you have to choose install manually. You just copy this tag and go to your WordPress of your website and theme appearance section and go to the theme file editor, and here you find a folder header.php. In the header.php you just see the where is my header. So in this you just paste your tag and refresh your Google Analytics, so you can see your submission is successfully and you can easily access your Google Analytics tool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.